They said after 70, your muscles only go one way, down. We naturally lose muscle as we age. That part is true. But what almost nobody tells you is this. Every single snack, every spoon, every sip you take in a day can either speed up that loss or quietly help you rebuild. And in today's video, we are ranking the top 10 seed proteins to help you build and protect muscle after 70. By the end, you will have a simple seed stack you can use every day without changing your entire diet. Safety disclaimer. This video is for general information only. It is not medical advice. It does not replace your doctor or dietitian. Please talk with your healthcare provider. Now, let us talk about how we chose our top 10. We ranked them using 5 simple rules that matter after 60, 70, and beyond. Protein power, digestibility for older tummies, ease of chewing and swallowing, real-life use. Number 10. Poppy seeds. The real reason it makes the list is because it turns boring foods into I actually want to eat this foods. Best use as a light sprinkle on breads, muffins, mixed into a yogurt or cottage cheese bowl with other higher protein seeds. Number 9. Sesame seeds. The calcium plus crunch booster. Why it helps. Sesame seeds bring a little protein, plus minerals like calcium and magnesium that support bones and muscles working together. Strong bones plus strong muscles is what keeps you steady on your feet. Sprinkled on soups and salads. Mixed into tahini, sesame paste, that you can spread on toast or add to sauces. If chewing is an issue, use tahini instead of whole seeds. Number 8. Flax seeds. The heart and joint helper. Why it helps. Flax seeds bring moderate protein, plus omega-3 fats that support heart health and may help with general inflammation. Healthier joints and less stiffness mean it is easier to stay active, which is just as important as protein for keeping muscle. Stir into oatmeal, yogurt, soups, or stews. Pair it with breakfast. Add to oats plus milk plus a spoon of peanut butter. Watch outs. Can increase bowel movements. Drink water with it so it does not cause constipation. Number 7. Chia seeds. The slow-release energy pack. Why it helps. Chia seeds offer some protein plus fiber that slows down digestion and helps keep your energy and blood sugar steady. Steady energy makes it more likely you actually do your walk, your exercises, or your physio. Add to smoothies and let it sit a few minutes to soften. Pair it with milk or soy milk to raise the protein. Berries or a small piece of fruit. Watch outs. Always soak them in liquid before eating. Number 6. Quinoa. The bowl that behaves like a seed and a grain. Why it helps. Quinoa is technically a pseudo-seed, but it behaves like a grain that is richer in protein than rice. That makes it a great base for meals if you want every spoon to count toward your protein goal. In warm bowls with beans, egg, chicken, or fish. A fried or boiled egg on top. Watch outs. If you are not used to high-fiber foods, start with a small portion. Number 5. Sunflower seeds. The snack that fights empty calories. Why it helps. Sunflower seeds bring a nice mix of protein and healthy fats. Swapping chips or biscuits for a small handful of sunflower seeds gives you a snack that actually feeds your muscles, not just your cravings. As a soft, shelled snack sprinkled onto salads, soups, or yogurt. Pair it with a piece of fruit plus a tablespoon of shelled sunflower seeds. Mixed into homemade trail mix with other seeds and a few nuts. Watch outs. Easy to overeat from the bag. Higher in calories. So keep portions mindful. Number 4. Buckwheat. The pancake upgrade. Why it helps. Buckwheat is another pseudo-seed with more protein than many common flours. Used in pancakes or porridge, it turns comfort food into something that actually supports muscle and energy. Pair it with eggs at breakfast, beans, tofu, or chicken at lunch or dinner. Watch outs, stronger taste. So start by mixing buckwheat flour with your usual flour. Number 3, amaranth, the tiny powerhouse. Why it helps. Amaranth is a very small seed with a surprisingly strong protein profile for a plant. When cooked, it becomes soft and porridge-like, which can be helpful if chewing is hard. As a breakfast porridge cooked in milk or soy milk, mixed into soups and stews for extra body and protein. Watchouts, can become very thick. Add enough liquid so it stays easy to swallow. Introduce slowly if you are not used to higher fiber foods. Number 2, pumpkin seeds, the crunchy muscle guard. Why it helps. Pumpkin seeds are one of the highest protein snack seeds, and they bring minerals like magnesium and zinc that support muscle function, nerves, and immunity. If you choose only one crunchy seed to keep in the house, this is a strong contender. Sprinkle on salads, soups, and oatmeal as a small snack between meals to top up protein. Watchouts, can be a little tough for weak teeth. You can buy hulled, softer seeds, portion control. A tablespoon or 2 is usually enough. Number 1, hemp hearts, the soft seed that acts like a muscle supplement. Why it is number 1? Hemp hearts are the soft inner part of the hemp seed. They are easier to chew, gentle on most stomachs, and packed with protein plus healthy fats. For older adults who may struggle with big pieces of meat, stir into oatmeal, cereal, yogurt, or smoothies. Watchouts, still calorie dense, so stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons at a time. The simple seed stack for muscle after 70. Let us make this practical. Here is a 1-day seed stack that many seniors can use as a starting point. Adjust portions and choices with your doctor or dietitian if needed. Breakfast, oatmeal or cereal made with milk or fortified plant milk. Add 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, 2 tablespoons hemp hearts. Lunch, soup or stew with beans, 1 tablespoon pumpkin seeds. Optional sprinkle of sesame seeds. Snack, Greek yogurt or cottage cheese. Add 1 teaspoon chia seeds, pre-soaked. A few sunflower seeds. Dinner, quinoa or buckwheat instead of white rice. Serve with your favorite protein and vegetables. This alone can add 10 to 20 plus grams of extra protein and a lot of helpful fats and fiber across the day. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Goodies for more simple, science-guided, senior-friendly health tips. Your muscles are listening to every bite you take.